Welcome back to Make Money Molly. This is a brand new app that I recently discovered, which can be used by anyone from anywhere in the world to get free PayPal money. It is a free service that works worldwide and pays through PayPal, as well as other payment alternatives. However, if you want to make this work, you must complete all of the actions outlined in this video. Please accept my apologies if you do not watch the complete video. However, this will not work for you, and you will not make any money, so demonstrate your worth. That you're not too lazy to watch a 10-minute tutorial video and put it into practice. I believe it is far more beneficial to watch a 10-minute tutorial video that will show you how to earn money with your phone. Then I wasted 10 minutes browsing aimlessly around Instagram reading posts. You'll forget about it as soon as you continue scrolling, so pay attention. But first, let me say hello to Finance Gal. Please give. You will be updated on how to make money online, and you will be able to start making things happen. This video gets a big thumbs up from me, and if you have any concerns, questions, or views about it, please let me know. Please don't be timid and write a comment below. Let's return to the video where you can view all of the possibilities. You have the option of getting paid by PayPal or any other payment method. If you want to get paid and collect the money, you should use PayPal. Once you have $5 in your account, you can choose PayPal as your payment method. If you don't want to use PayPal, or if PayPal isn't available in your country, you can cash out and spend your PayPal money on whatever you choose. You can pay using PayPal or any other method you like. So, before we get started, I'd like to show you some proof that this works. As you can see, all of these people are already making money with this website and are being compensated for their efforts. These folks are arriving about every couple of minutes, and they are from all over the world. So, this is clearly a website that pays well and performs well, so let me clarify exactly what I mean. Before you even get to the app, here's how you can set it up for yourself. You'll need to go to Google and look for various articles and blog postings. If you believe it will be of interest to others to read, you don't need a website, social network accounts, or a YouTube channel to make videos. I'd like you to go to Google and search for something you believe folks might be interested in reading. For example, trending articles containing weird facts or anything else you believe people will be interested in. I'm going to look up 10 interesting facts about water. As you can see, I'm not solely focused on one niche. I'm not searching for a specific category, such as gold sports or anything like that would only appeal to a small segment of the population. However, focusing on something that millions of people would be interested in learning about, such as 100 fascinating water facts, a movie star, an actor, or a YouTube star that would pique the curiosity of that many people. I simply want you to locate items that you believe a large number of people would be interested in reading at least once. When you find that article, right-click on it and copy it. It's a link, so after you copy it, the article will open. That's all there is to it for the first step. That is, go to Google and look for an article or a blog post. Copy the link to a page that you think would appeal to a wide group of people for step 2. I'd like you to visit this website called exe.io. You may now use this on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer. This is over at exe.io, where you can get money by shortening shares. When someone clicks on the link, you can shorten long URL or long links and share them with friends, family, and other people. That you shortened you will be paid, so they won't have to sign up for anything, spend any money, or buy anything. It's as simple as clicking a button and you'll be compensated, which is incredible. It's clear that getting someone to click on a link is much easier. Then, as you can see, to get them to sign up or buy anything, you only need to follow 3 simple steps to get started. First, establish an account, and then I'll show you how. How can you sign up for a free second? I'll explain everything to you in detail. Third, you will learn how to shorten your URL, and you will see how it works. The reason we're utilizing this app is because it has the best pricing. This indicates that you will receive the most money for such clicks. You'll also receive complete statistics on who is clicking on your links, as well as a referral program. If you'd like to share this with your friends and family, or if you know someone who might be interested in earning money with exe.io, please do so. Simply share your referral link, and you'll get 15% of their total profits for the rest of their lives. This means you can earn passive income for the rest of your life simply by introducing someone who makes $1,000. To visit exe.io. Right here, you'll find a sign up button. As a result, you can establish an account and give it a unique username. The next step is to create a password using your valid email address. Then confirm it by retyping it and agreeing to their terms of service and privacy policy. You can read it by clicking on it, and then just click register to establish an account on exe.io. This is what it will look like if you create a new account there. This is the dashboard where you can keep track of your views. Your profits are divided into two categories: referral earnings and average CPM. This is the cost per 1,000 clicks that your link generates, and it will vary. Depending on, your profits per click will be lesser or more. If the click is coming from a top-tier country, where is it coming from? Obviously, if it comes from a developed country, you will earn more money, and if it comes from a developing country, your earnings will be smaller. That's because when someone clicks on your shortened link, they'll be taken to your website. They will be forwarded to an ad landing page and shown advertisements, which they can skip once they've skipped the advertising. They'll be redirected to the link you wanted them to go to in the first place. They have the CPM, which is why this works and why you're getting paid for those clicks. So, if you ask me if this is a brilliant system, simply input your PayPal email address, and you'll be able to cash out and spend your funds on whatever you wish. However, after you've grabbed, you'll need to start receiving those clicks. I'd like you to click on that interesting article from Google and establish a link right here. So, if you want to shorten a link to that article or blog post, you can do so. Which one do you think the majority of people will click on and read? This is why I recommended that you choose articles that will appeal to a broad audience. Simply paste the link into this box and click Create, and you'll get the shortened exe.io link. When someone clicks on this link, you can copy it. You will be compensated. All you need now is for people to click on this link in order for this to succeed. Now is the time to discover folks who are interested in reading that article. I'll show you two different types of traffic sources, which you can utilize to get those clicks automatically and without having to use your hands, even if you don't have any following on social media. The first traffic source, if you're a complete beginner, is right here at Hercules.com. This is over at Hercules.com once more. This is a platform that allows you to market any link you want for free on a daily basis. As a result, it provides you with a whole email list to whom you may send a single email. Every day, thousands of different people receive free clicks, and there's a strong chance that many of them will click on your link. Each time someone clicks on your link, repeat the process. You will be compensated for the second traffic source, which is not available for free. However, it will make getting more clicks a lot easier. This is already available on Shoutcard.com, and you can sign up for a free account there. You'll be able to search for influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and they'll be able to promote for you. For a very little charge, you can send your shortened URL to hundreds of thousands of individuals. For example, you can see that I only chose Instagram, and that I may advertise for $10 to reach 500,000 individuals out of a total of 500,000 people. If my link has at least 5,000 clicks, I will get $10 every 1,000 clicks. That's $50. Therefore, I've just made a profit of $40 without having to do anything. Because all you have to do is pay $10 and provide them with your link. They will market it for you. You can create a snowball effect. So, if you have $10 to start investing in this, put it into one Scream and see if you can make $50 to $60. Simply put part of that money back into more shoutouts. You'll get more shoutouts and from bigger pages as you make more. You're generating a snowball effect once more, and you may buy those shoutouts every day and earn those clicks automatically on a daily basis. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe for your tips to make money, Molly.